EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play Silent Night on the piano. In this first tutorial we will learn the first part. The second part is on the website, please see it. Oh yes, and subscribe to this channel if you like it. We will begin learning the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with first and third fingers on D and F. Now we have E flat and G, fingers 2 and 4, and back to D and F. First finger plays D. One more time, D and F, E flat and G, D and F. Now we have F and C, fingers 1 and 5, 3 and 5 on A and C. Now F and A, fingers 1 and 3. Fingers 1 and 5 play D and B flat. Again, D and B flat. And 1 and 3 play D and F. Fingers 1 and 3 play E flat and G. Repeat E flat and G, B flat, A, G, D and F, E flat and G, D and F. First finger plays D, E flat and G, repeat E flat and G, B flat, A, G, D and F, E flat and G, D and F. First finger plays D. We will now look at the left hand. Left hand plays B flat with fifth finger. Second is on F. First is on B flat. Second is on F. B flat. F, B flat, F, and together B flat and A, fingers 5 and 1. Third is on C, E flat, D, C, and together B flat octave. Third is on F, first is on D, C, B flat, left and E flat, third is on E flat, G, F, E flat, B flat, third is on F, first is on B flat, A, G, left hand octave on E flat, third is on E flat, G, F, E flat, left and fifth on B flat. We will now combine hands together. Left hand begins with fifth finger on B flat. Right hand is ready to come in with first and third on D and F at the same time. Together left hand B flat A, right hand F and C. flat, right hand E flat and G. Together. Left hand G, right hand B flat. Left hand B flat, right hand D and F. Left hand B flat, right hand D. Left hand B flat, right hand D and F. E flat G. Together. Left hand B flat, right hand D. We will stop here for now. Please see the website for part 2.